So guys, our videos is coming very a long time, but in today's video of DSA of Python, I'm telling you about the method. Okay, the method of that, and I hope you can enjoy this class. And one, your surprise is coming. Just wait. Okay, and please like this video, share, friends, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also. And one surprise is coming in this channel, so please subscribe my channel and all the notification bell. Then when the surprises come, so you already have been notified. Okay, notification has been come. So now please access my Python DSA playlist and access it also. So now I do not take a long time, and let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So let's learn about the method. Okay. So let's learn about that. Here is the systematic strategy we apply for solving problems. Okay. First systematic strategy is state the problem clearly and identify the input and output formats. Number 2, come up with some example inputs and output. Try to cover all edge cases. Number 3, come up with the correct solution for the problem stated in plain English. Number 4, implement the solution and test it using example inputs, fix bugs if any. Number 5, analyze the algorithm's complexity and identify the efficiencies if any. Number 6, apply the right technique to overcome the efficiency. Repeat step 3 to 6. Okay. Now, this approach is explained in detail in lesson 1 of the course. Let's apply this approach step by step. Okay. Let's apply this course step by step. And we apply this code step by step into our next video about the solution. Okay, we apply this strategy of lesson 1 of the course, and step by step we explain this in our the solution. This video is about the method. Okay, this video is only about the method. In this video I told you our method, so in next video I give you one proper solution. I have solved that all thing. Okay, and this is the systematic strategy I have also told you, so you can easily solve the solution. And please, I hope you can enjoy this class. This video is smaller. Why? Because this video is about the method. Method means like I told you the method how to solve this. Okay, and I tell you some strategies to solve this problem. So now in next video I told you the solution. So please for the next video subscribe my channel and all the notification bell, and please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also. And if you do not yet go here, do not yet access my playlist, so please access it. Go to the YouTube, search here my channel by the name of Code with PK. Okay, and when you search here Code with PK, please subscribe and then all the notification bell. Then what you can do, go on to the playlist and then Python Dsa tutorial playlist, and then like it and bookmark it from here, and please access it also. So now I do not take a long time, so I meet you next class in next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.